Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to get better at charting and making smarter trades, today's tutorial is really going to help you out. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to use the long position and short position tools in TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how these tools work, what all those colors mean, and how they can take your trading plans to the next level. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, look over to the left side of your TradingView screen. Here, you'll see a vertical toolbar, and we're specifically looking for the forecasting and measurement tools. Don't worry if you don't spot it right away. Just hover over each icon. Eventually, you'll find a little section with tools like the ruler, prediction tools, and right in there, you'll see long position and short position. Think of these as little visual planners for your trades, letting you map out where you want to enter, take profit, and cut your losses. It saves you from trying to eyeball price moves or scribble on paper. Let's start by working with the long position tool. Click once on the long position icon. Now move your mouse over to where you'd like to place that position on your chart. Usually, this will be where you think a good buying opportunity is. Click to drop it onto the chart. Take a moment to notice how the tool appears. There's a rectangle with a big green part on top and a smaller red part underneath. Here, why that matters. The green zone represents your profit target, showing how much you could potentially gain if the price moves in your favor. Meanwhile, the red section is your risk, or what you could lose if things don't go your way. The reason the green area is bigger is because in a long trade, you're hoping the price climbs up from your entry. It's a really handy way to visualize at a glance what's at stake. Now let's look at it from the other side. Click on the short position tool right below the long position in the toolbar. Just like before, drop it onto your chart where you might consider entering a short trade. Here, where things flip. You'll see a much larger red area on top and a small green zone below. That's because when you short, you're betting that the price will go down, so your profit is below your entry and risk is above. It's the exact mirror, and seeing it like this really helps clarify your plan before you make any moves. And don't worry if your zones don't look perfect or like someone else's chart. You're in control here. Now, if you want to fine-tune your plan, which I definitely recommend, just double-click on the position tool you placed. This will open up a settings window. Here you can manually adjust your target price, where you want your stop loss to be, and even the size of your position. Take a few minutes to play around and dial in the numbers that match your strategy. Don't worry if you're not sure what the best settings are just yet. Even practicing with random numbers helps you get comfortable. Once you're happy with your blueprint, click OK, and the changes will update right on your chart. This is a great way to build discipline and stick to your plan, visualizing both your upside and downside before jumping into any trade. And that's really all there is to it. The long and short position tools in TradingView are amazingly powerful for visualizing your trades, planning your risk, and staying organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions, need clarity, or just want to share your experience, drop a comment down below. I'm always here to help. Make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical trading tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!